Let's learn all about how to apply your WoodUbend moldings with the Top Drawer RVA. WoodUbend moldings are an amazing way to update your furniture. Let's dress up the front of this very old cedar chest using WoodUbend moldings. WoodUbend moldings are amazing to use because they arrive flat and hard to the touch, but when you heat them up, you're able to bend them and apply them to any surface. You're going to need a heat gun and wood glue to apply your WoodUbend moldings to any surface. Lay your molding flat on the ground with the backside up. Heat it up with the heat gun until it becomes bendable and shapeable. You're going to apply your wood glue to the back of the WoodUbend molding and then adhere it to your surface. Once it's adhered to the surface, you're going to heat it again just to make sure that it's completely flat and glued on. Depending on how vertical the surface is that I'm applying the WoodUbend molding to, sometimes I like to use tape to make sure that it's adhered and hold it until the glue dries. Once it's dry, you're ready to start painting right over top of your surface. Check out all of WoodUbend's products. There's over 3,000 individual designs available. Paint right over top of your WoodUbend molding. What a beautiful way to customize any piece of furniture.